Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss with you a topic of grammar. The name of the topic is determiners. Determiner is a word or a group of words that specifies, identifies, or quantifies the noun that follows. Here are some words which are used as a determiner in English grammar: the, this, some, etc. The main quality of determiner is it comes before nouns. It clarifies if the noun is specific or general. So, after that, I am going to discuss with you types of determiners. In English grammar, we have 4 types of determiners. First one is articles, demonstratives, possessives, and quantifiers. Students, in earlier classes, we have learnt a bit detail about articles. We know very well that articles are of 2 types: definite article, that is the, and indefinite article. These are further categorized into 2 kinds: a and an. These 2 words are used in grammar and these are indefinite articles. So why the is called definite article? Because generally it points out a particular place, person, and thing. And indefinite article is vice versa of definite article because it does not point out particular place, person, or thing. So we have 3 kinds of article: a, and the. These 3 words are used as an article. Now we will learn the use of article a. It is used before a consonant sounds. So firstly, what is a consonant sound? Students, you know very well that in English there are 26 total alphabets and A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowel, and except it, other 21 alphabets are called consonant and they produce their own sounds. For example, cat, k, at. Sheep is producing k sound. Dog, d, og. D is producing d sound. God, G is producing g sound. So these words are producing consonant starting from consonant so before, and these are also nouns. And we learned the rule that before a word which produce consonant sound and also that is singular, we use a article. Next, use of article an. It is used before vowel sounds. I told you earlier that a, e, I, o, u. These words, these are producing vowel sounds. For example, interesting, I is producing e sound, interesting. Umbrella, u is producing a sound. Engineer, e is producing e sound. So these are called vowels I, u, and e. Underlined words are. So before it, we will use article an. Next rule is a and an are used before singular and countable nouns. Noun जो singular होना चाहिए. Secondly, countable. Countable में which can be counted very easily. Next we will learn where we can use the article the. First, to describe the direction regions, for example, the north, the south, the east, the west, the unions of countries or states. For example, America is called the United States of America. The group of islands in India, there is the Andaman Nicobar Islands group. Seas, all the seas, oceans. Before it, we can use the article the. For example, the Arctic, the Indian Ocean, and before the name of Gulf. After that, rivers, the Ganges, the Yamuna, and group of mountains, the Shivalik mountain, the Himalaya mountain, and before monuments. Monuments mean historical buildings. For example, the Liberty of America, that is statue, and then the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, and before the name of holy books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Students, one point that you would always keep in your mind forever, that the article is never used before a subject, before a language. For example, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, English, these are called language. So the article is not used before it. Now we will learn the second kind, that is demonstratives. So demonstrative is a determiner which is used to demonstrate the identity of the thing referenced by the following nouns. Here are these words which are used as a demonstrative determiners: this, these, that, those. I like this music. Here this word is used as a demonstrative determiners. This pen is mine. These and those are used for plural things. One more thing, these is used for plural and which are the nearby things, and those are used for the things for the which are kept afar. Next, possessives. Possessives are followed by noun. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. We will understand the use of possessive with the help of this example. This is my car. ये मेरी कार है. It means I am claiming this car. I am establishing the relation of this car with myself by using the word my. So I use the word my as a possessive determiners in this sentence. The last kind is quantifiers. Students, as clear from the name that this word is closely related to quantity. Quantity mean matra. So it is a word और a phrase. ये एक single word भी हो सकता है और phrase भी हो सकती है. Second rule is quantifier is also used before a noun. Third one, किस लिए use होते हैं? To indicate the amount or quantity. Here are some words which are used as a quantifiers. Some, many, a lot of, a few. Next, fourth rule regarding the use of quantifiers is that It is used with countable and uncountable nouns. ये इसकी सबसे बड़ी एडवांटेज है कि काउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ ही नहीं बच्चे, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ भी वी कैन यूज these words. For example, there are some pens on the table. There is a large quantity of sugar in this bag. Here, pens can be counted. These are countable nouns. But sugar is not a countable noun. But we can use the quantifiers before countable as well as uncountable nouns. So the use of quantifiers with uncountable, कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं uncountable nouns के, और कौन कौन से quantifiers? Much. Second is a little, जहां पे हम मात्रा की बात करते हैं. A bit, a large amount of, a large quantity of, a great deal of. We have learned, students, I told you earlier that determiners can be a single word or a group of words. For these are a large amount of words. This is a group of words, but this is used as determiners in English grammar. एंड विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स, वो कौन से डिटर्मिनर्स है जो काउंटेबल्स के साथ यूज होते हैं? मैनी, मैनी फ्रेंड्स, मैनी पेंसिल्स, 1, 2, a few, very few, a number of, several, a great number of. These are the words which are used with countable nouns. And at last, I have list where we can use those quantifiers which are used with countables and uncountables nouns. All, enough, more, most, less, least, no, none, not any, some, any, a lot of, and plenty of. These are the words which we can use with both countable and uncountable nouns to clarify the sense of sentence in a better way. Thank you. Have a nice day.